finding the percentage change. So percentage change is a key word because the question will ask, what is the percentage change, or what's the percentage increased, or what's the percentage decrease, or what's the percentage profit. So it'll ask what's the percentage something in the question. So to find the percentage change, you just use this magic formula, which is so important. I think you should get a nice little highlighter and kind of like highlight it. So the percentage change, it's a change in a value because they'll tell you it's changed from something to something. So you work out the difference in the value by subtracting, and you always divide by the original. That's why I put the original in pink. So you don't divide by the new amount, you always divide by its original value. And then to turn a fraction into a percent, remember you just times by 100. How on earth does this work? Let's see. Find the percentage increase. So percentage increase, notice it's asking for the percentage something, so it means use the percentage change formula. If it changes from $50 to $56. So the change in amount, so if you want, you could first of all calculate the change in amount equals just the difference. It doesn't have to be positive or negative, just work out what the difference is as a positive. Because it's already mentioned that it's an increase. So it's a change is 6. And what was the original? The original amount, was it 50 or 56? It started at 50 and changed to 56. So here's your little original. And then we times by 100. So it's a little change in value. So change in value, which was 6 over the original, which was 50, times 100 over 1. It would give us, you could cancel down a 10, divide these by 10, can cancel diagonally. 6 times 10 is 60, over 5, which is 12. Is it dollars? What is it? Find the percentage increase, so it's a percent. So that was a 12% increase. So change in value over the original, always over the original, times by 100. Find the percentage decrease. So find the percentage something. So use the percentage change formula again. The change in value over the original times 100. And if 32 changes to 24. So the change, oh, I don't want to do that. Okay, so the change is 32 minus 24. Work this out because you might get a mark just for doing this. 32 minus 24, oh, it's 8. Yeah, it is good. So the percentage change, which is the percentage decrease in this case, is the change in value, 8, over the original. Which one came first? It's not necessarily the biggest or the smallest, it's just which one came first in time. The original, it started this like this and changed to 24, so it's 32, so it's 8 over 32, then times 100 over 1. We can cancel down here, so we can divide the top and bottom by 2, I mean that diagonally, but or you could just do it like this. 800, 8 times 100 is 800 over 32 times 1. Does this simplify? Yes, it does. So equals, divide by 2, you'll get 400 over 16. Divide by 2 again, you'll get 200 over 8. Divide by 2 again, you'll get 100 over 4. Okay. 100 over 4, divide by 4, what's that? Well, you could think of it as 50 over 2, which is 25 over 1, so just 25%. So that was a percentage decrease of 25% if you're to do it non-calc. To do it with calc, just do 8 over 32 times 100. Find the percentage profit if a bike is sold for 300 and it initially cost 270. So percentage profit just means find the percentage change again. Just use your little percentage change formula. Profit is what you make when you run a business. When you run a business, you want to make a profit. So you want to buy something for a certain amount and sell it for a higher amount, so you keep the extra money. So let's work out our little change in value. Change should always just be positive. 300, so the big one minus the small one. So the change was 30. So the change in value over the original. So which one was the original? It was sold for 300 and cost them 270. So the original was what it cost them to begin with, and then they later sold it. So they originally bought it for that, and then they sold it for that. So The original in this case is 270. So times 100, or 100 over 1. Cancel diagonally. We'll get 300 over 27. Which simplifies to divide by 3. Will give us 100 over 9. 100 over 9. Getting a little bit tricky. You could do it on the side. You could do 100 divided by 9 on the side by doing the divisions like I like to do. 100 divided by 9 would give us 11.1 recurring percent. Recurring percent. So remember 100 divided by 9. 9 goes into 10 once with one remainder, once, one remainder, once, and so on. So that's why you get 11.1%. Okay, so just a recap. Formula for percentage change, if you want the percentage increase, the percentage decrease, the percentage profit, the percentage loss, you just find the change in value and you always divide by the original and times by 100. Okay, that's it.